How to recover deleted follow requests on Instagram? So, recovering those deleted follow requests on Instagram, if you deleted it accidentally, sometimes then it's quite easy and simple. Just you have to go ahead and open Telegram, go ahead and open the Instagram app, then sign into your Instagram account. Once done with that, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and select the three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will let you access to this settings and activity page where you have to go and search for download your information. For that, select account centers at the top of the screen, and now under this account settings, select your information and permissions. Now select download your information option. Here you have to select download or transfer information button. Now select the Instagram account and choose the next button. You have to select some of your information and you need to check for the particular option. Here you can simply search for followers and following and now select the next button. Once done, you can download the device or transfer to destination. For that, select the next button. Now on this page, you can select the date range, the email address, format and the media quality, then create files. And your information is being prepared for download. Once the information gets downloaded, you'll be notified and from there you can easily download all of your information regarding those follow requests on Instagram and you can easily recover those deleted follow requests on Instagram. If this doesn't work for you, then you can easily go back to the settings and activity page and contact the support team. For that, tap on the help and now report a problem. Select report problem without checking. Now include and continue. Here you need to briefly explain what happened or what's not working. You can also copy paste what I have written here and you can upload the photo if you have any and tap on the send button at the top right and report a problem. So within certain hours the Instagram will fix this issue and it will help you to recover deleted follow requests on Instagram. So that's it for today. I hope this video worked for you. If it worked, then hit the like button, share and comment below. If you are new to our channel, subscribe for more updates.